You want to be instantly loved by people. Imagine walking into a room and people naturally gravitate towards you. It's not magic, it's science. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a great impression fast. But before we dive in, let me ask you, when was the last time you met someone new? Did they leave a lasting impression? Or did you just forget about them the moment they walked away? What if you could make people remember you for the right reasons? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I will hand over to you the tools to make that connection effortlessly. Let's start with the most common one. Smile and use their name. A simple smile is one of the most powerful social tools. It signals warmth, approachability, and confidence. But do you know what makes it even more powerful? Using someone's name. Here is why. When you use someone's name, it makes them feel valued. People respond to you better when you use their own name. It's like music in their ears. Imagine meeting someone and instead of saying nice to meet you, say nice to meet you, Sarah. Instantly, there is a connection. So the next time you meet someone new, smile. Use their name at least once in the conversation, and you'll be surprised how much of a difference it makes. And speaking about making a difference, that takes us to the second point. Listen more than you speak. Most people think that being likable means talking more. Wrong. The real secret? Listening. Here is why. People love talking about themselves. The more you let them share, the more they associate you with feeling good. Here's what you will do. The next time someone is talking, instead of just nodding, say something like this. That's interesting, John. Tell me more. This encourages deeper conversations and makes the person feel heard. Now, listening is very powerful, but there is even a more subtle trick that can help you to become more likable faster. Mirror someone's energy. Have you ever met someone and you instantly feel at home with them, even if you're just meeting them for the first time? Chances are they are mirroring your energy. What is mirroring? It's not copying. No. It's subtly matching someone's tone, enthusiasm, and pace. For instance, if they are speaking calmly and softly, don't overwhelm them with high energy. But if they are speaking with enthusiasm and animated, show some enthusiasm yourself. This makes them feel heard and connected to you. Try this. The next time you're in a conversation, notice their tone and body language, then reflect it back. It's a psychological trick that makes people feel instantly comfortable around you. Before we wrap up, let me give you a bonus tip that will take your likability to the next level. Give sincere compliments. A well-placed compliment can make someone's day. But here is the secret. Make it specific. Instead of nice shirt, say, that color looks amazing on you. It really brings out your eyes. If you admire someone's work, don't just say, good job. Nah. Say something like this. I love the way you explained it. It was so clear and engaging. Now that's it. People remember how you make them feel. A sincere compliment, a genuine listening ears, and matching their energy can transform your interactions forever. Now you have some powerful tools on how to be instantly likable, even if you're meeting somebody for the first time. But to dive deeper into effective communication so that you won't be easily misunderstood, see this video.